Hey guys, welcome to DevDomain. In today's video, we are going to solve this problem called we will give a number and we have to check whether the number is prime number or not. Okay, so let's start. Prime number is a number that greater than 1 that has no divisors other than 1 and itself. Okay, so how we can check the number is prime number or not? The number should divide by 1 and the number itself. Okay, so then that number is called as the prime number. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, let's say we have taken the input as 7. The divisors of 7 number is 1 and 7 itself. Okay, so that means the given number is the prime number. Okay, I've write the explanations as well. Since it has only 2 divisors, so that means the number is prime number. Then second example is we have taken the input as 10. Okay, then the output is 10 is not a prime number. Okay, so explanation here I've given like divisors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. So that's why 10 is not a prime number. The divisors of 10s are many. Okay, so that's why 10 is not a prime number. Okay, since it has more than 2 divisors, so that means the number is not a prime number. So first we will create a class. Okay, so we will create a class here. So I will give the class name as demo and the package name as com dot is prime. Okay, so we have created a class, and after that we will also create another class like main, and in that we will create the main function. Okay, here we will create a function and will return the boolean value. So return type will be boolean, and here we'll give the name as is prime. Okay, and here we'll create a integer. Okay, in parameters we will pass one integer. So here we will create one integer, and and I will assign the value. So here we can assign any value. Okay, 0 and 1 is not a prime number, so for that we will write if n is greater than or equal to 1, then we have to return false. We'll run a loop from number 2. Then for that we will write int I is equal to 2, I should less than n. Okay, I will get updated, and then we'll check if n modulo I equal to 0, if our n, that is the given number, I is the iterator. Okay, if that number is equal to 0, that means we have to return false. Okay, so if the remainder is 0, then the number is not a prime number. Okay, so and else return true. Okay, here. So this is the function. Okay, so first we have to check if the given number is 0 and 1. Okay, if the given number is 0 and 1, okay, so that means it is not a prime number. Then we will check n mod of I is equal to 0 or not. So if it is 0, then also the number is not a prime number. Okay, and else we have to return true. Okay, Now we have to call this function. So for that we have to create the object of it. So for that we will write demo d1 as equal to new demo. The name is prime, okay, and here we can pass the n, okay, and we'll print it, and this will pass the function, okay. Now let's run the code and see what will be the output. As you can see, the number is true, okay. So let's give the another input. Let's say the another example that we have taken as 10, okay. Now let's run the code again. As you can see, the number is false. This is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.